to subscribe!
Cooking is fun!
Pororo and his friends are on the playground.
I'm bored.
Is there something fun for us to do?
Well... how about having a party?
Party?
Yes, let's have a party at my place tomorrow afternoon. Wow, that'll be fun!
How about we cook our favorite dish for the party and share with each other?
That's a really good idea! Crong, crong! Oh, I'll bring a delicious dish! Me too! Me too!
Our friends decide to go back home to cook for tomorrow's party. Oh, I got one! I'm going to cook a tasty fish dish.
What should I cook? Yes! We can't have a party without this! Found it! Yes, this is it! Ouch! It hurts!
Night has fallen. What are Pororo and Crong doing?
What should I make for the party? Crong, what are you going to make? Crong, crong, crong. Crong, crong. What? You won't tell me? Crong. Crong, crong, crong. All finished. Crong. Ta-da! Pororo's special dish is ready. Crong, crong. I won't tell you either. Crong. Well, I'm taking off now. Cook your secret dish and bring it to Loopy's house. Crong. 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 Crong, crong. Crong. Crong, crong. Crong. Crong, crong, crong. Crong. Crong, crong. Crong. Crong, 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 crong. Loopy. Hi, Eddy. Pororo and Poby are already inside. All right. Oh. Hi, Crong.
What dish did Crong bring? Welcome. We were waiting. Everyone presented their dish.
Now, shall we take off the lids and share what we cooked? I made something for us that goes with the party. It's a party cake. Wow. Wow, it's so pretty.
I made something special too. Ta-da! It's a fish dish.
Wow! It looks delicious. Crong, crong. I made some cookies for all of us. I drew my own face on them. Delicious! I wanted us to be healthy, so I made some salad.
Wow, that looks delicious.
What did you bring for us, Crong? Crong, crong. Crong! Wow, it's juice! Very nice. We needed some drinks. Crong, good choice. Wow. I'm so hungry. Well, shall we start off by trying Crong's juice first?
Yes.
So spicy! It's too spicy! Crong! Crong! Crong, what did you use to make this juice so spicy? What? You added salt and hot pepper? That's why it was so spicy!
Even though Crong made a little mistake,
Pororo and his friends had a good time sharing their food.